Hey everyone, I am Average. Firstly, before I get on with this video, I do want to say thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. I've been doing YouTube since I was maybe 5 or 6 years old. I'm gonna have to fact check that honestly, but it's been a long time. And you're making that version of me, the one who has been doing YouTube for most of his life and never really seen many views. You're making him proud. So thank you guys so much. And I wanted to start doing some face cam, why not? I've done it on my other channels before, but on this channel, I've mostly been pretty private, I would say, with everything, but I don't see any reason for that really. So yeah, we're going to be trying this out. If you guys find that it is distracting or you don't wish to see the face cam, just let me know in the comments below. It's no big deal, but I thought for 1,000 subs, let's try something new. Let's change up the format a little bit. So today we are starting a new series, a brand new series on the Bun runtime. So Bun is a JavaScript runtime, much like Node.js. The question is, what makes it different? Why am I not just doing a video on Node.js? Well, Bun is significantly faster than Node.js, being written in Zig. As well as this, instead of using the traditional V8 engine that most current JavaScript runtimes use, Bun uses the JavaScript core, which is written by Apple. So you can see here on the side, there are some benchmarks and comparisons with Bun and other runtimes. If you would like to know more about the performance benefits of Bun, I highly recommend you check out their website. They have tons of information. The point is, Bun is significantly faster than Node. And that's not the only major difference of Bun. Compared to Node, Bun adopts a sort of all-in-one philosophy, integrating popular services like a Bun native SQLite driver, or even popular hashing algorithms like bcrypt or Argon 2. You can see here, this is the doc page for their SQLite driver, and they allow you to hash passwords. By default, you don't need to install anything, and it uses Argon 2 ID. You can also use bcrypt. I believe there's some other hashing algorithms you can use as well, but those are probably the two big ones. I mean, there's tons of stuff that Bun implements by default in comparison to where Node, you would have to install a package or implement it yourself. Bun does a lot of that stuff for you. There's a lot of great things about Bun. Aside from it being less mature than Node.js, I haven't personally found that there's any real catch to using it, especially since as of 2026, Bun has reached over 95% compatibility with the Node ecosystem. Oh, right. Bun is also a package manager. It's also a bundler and a test runner. Did I mention it's also TypeScript by default? To be honest, guys, I could go on and on about Bun forever. It's very different from a lot of the other JavaScript runtime ecosystems in the best way possible, in my opinion. The truth is with Bun, for me at least, it's great. And in this series, I'm going to show you all about what makes it great. So stay tuned for the next video where we get our first project created with Bun. If you enjoyed watching this video, please consider giving it a like and share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. And with that being said, I'm Average. Have yourself a great day.